Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Accord license plate light. First, gather your essential tools. You will need both a flathead and a Phillips head screwdriver. Make sure you have your new replacement bulb, which is typically a 168 or 194 type. A trim removal tool can also be very useful for safely prying plastic clips. Always work in a well-lit area to clearly see what you are doing and avoid any damage. Now, let's access the light assembly. Open your trunk and look for the interior trim panel directly behind the license plate area. You'll need to remove any plastic clips or Phillips head screws that hold this liner in place. Carefully pull back the trunk liner to reveal the back of the license plate light housing. You should then see the wiring harness connected to the light, which is what we need to disconnect next. With the light housing exposed, it's time to replace the bulb. Gently twist the bulb socket counterclockwise until it unlocks from the housing, then pull it out. Carefully remove the old bulb by pulling it straight out of the socket. It might be a bit snug. Now, take your new 168 or 194 bulb and firmly insert it into the socket. Make sure it's seated correctly and feels secure before proceeding with reassembly. Before you put everything back together, turn on your car's lights to ensure the new license plate bulb is working correctly. Once confirmed, reattach the wiring harness and twist the bulb socket clockwise back into the housing until it locks. Carefully reposition the trunk liner and secure it with all the plastic clips and screws you removed earlier. Double-check that everything is snug and tidy. Also, remember to check the description for a link to some great socks and other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.